Tune your car, and we back with another banger. Here's a quick video how to bleed your brakes yourself. You do not need a lot of money to do this. You do not need a special machine to do this, and you can do this all by yourself. So the first thing you want to do is take off the bleeder cap. It's the cap that's always on top of the bleeder valve. It's like a rubber cap. You'll see it right here behind the brake caliper. Bow, we're gonna easily pull that thing off just like that. So here's a little contraption that I built. We just got smaller tubes going into bigger tubes until we get the actual fitting into the vacuum hose. Right here I have a wet dry vacuum, as you can see. This is what's gonna be acting as your pump and sucking the fluid out, no diddy. Now what you want to do is take your tubing and put it onto the bleeder valve. You want to make sure your tubing is holding on to something like this so you don't have any tension on the tubing that's attached to the bleeder valve so it won't come out of the bleeder valve. Just like this, as you can see, it's holding on the bleeder valve without coming out. Now you want to turn on the pump first before you loosen the bleeder valve because you want the suction to already be happening. Now come over here and loosen the bleeder valve while the pump is sucking the fluid out. Since we're just doing a bleed, we're not gonna leave it on there for that long. But if we were doing a flush, we would leave it on there for a little bit longer. I'm gonna tighten it back while the pump is still going just to still make sure no air gets inside the system. Then we'll turn the pump off after. Then you're done. All you gotta do is put the bleeder cap back on the bleeder valve and you are completely done. And you do all 4 tires the same way. And just like that, you learned how to bleed your own brakes without anybody there to help you, bruh. Just like that, we done. Tune your car. We at. Like and subscribe for more.